Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I want to share another Saturday morning makes with you all, and also my crafty dare. Saturday morning makes is hosted by Joe Millerwood here on YouTube, and crafty dares is hosted by Tina, who's Tell 'em Thank You here on YouTube. So let's get started. I used a heart embossing folder from Cuddlebug, and it's across my heart. And there you can see the embossing folder. And then I used this Spellbinders. I think it's a classic scallop heart. Some twine, some buttons, and this Valentines Day stamp. Oh gosh, it's not focusing. There we go. And this is my card. So very simple. I embossed the background. And this is 110 cardstock. Cut out the paper, added the twine on the button, and I heat emboss Happy Valentine's Day on plain black cardstock. I inked the heart so you could see it better. I also stitched or faux stitched around my card. So I'm also going to be entering this in Anna White's So in Love February. And I just like how this is very simple and cute all at the same time, and non-traditional, black and pink and red and white. So I really like how that turned out. And then my crafty dare this week, we were to use brown trim, a metal filigree, and a fairy. So this is a stamp from, oh my gosh, I have it here, hold on, let me go get it. Let me go get it. It is from Red Lead Paperworks, and she is just simply adorable. And I found out about this stamp set from Jill. I think she's done a card with her as well, and I just thought she was just simply adorable, and I had to have her. And I have her on a cling mount. So I used her. I used a Spellbinders scallop circle. I think that's what it is. It's Fancy Edge ovals, and I just love this set. I think I got that on clearance one year. I did my finger bow. I used a stamp set from Tim Holtz with vintage photo. I just love that stamp. It's the first time I used it, and I love it. This is a filigree from my stash. I have so many metal pieces that I've gotten from Monica, who's scrapping for my boys here on YouTube, and trying to use them. I have a whole bunch of metal pieces. I don't use them. I sparingly use them. And then I use this Speckle stamp from Stampin' Up. I have this next to me all the time because I just love how this stamp looks, and I don't know what that blue stuff is on my stamp. Oh well. And then that's it. I ink the edges, and that's about it. And I'm gonna give this out to somebody, and yeah, that is my Saturday morning makes. I can't wait to see everybody's. I mean, I know it's the afternoon, but it's okay. I'm getting it done. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.